Alright, so what's up everybody, your boy John Deere Man 22 here. Welcome back to another video. So this is harvest video number 10. You can hear the combine in the distance here, so of course you guys can't see it right now because you guys are looking at me. But I've been looking all day long for corn out here, for any ears. Doesn't matter how big or how small they are. But basically the only kinds I've found are nubs, or the ends of some ears. I found half ones, and I see another one sitting way down here. There we are. Better one, apart from it being eaten on the side here. So, yeah. So, anyway, I didn't get any gleaning done on yesterday because it rained out. And so yeah. So anyway, yeah, the rain I thought that we got yesterday was gonna put me down for, well, it did put me down for the rest of the day yesterday. I thought it was gonna put me down for the rest of the day today, for today, but the ground's dry except for one spot right down there. That's a wet spot. I did, however, dig an ear of corn out of there, out of that wet spot, but it's gonna have to dry. Here's another one. And here's one that only has the ears on, that only has kernels on the bottom. Just might as well knock these off and just throw that down. So yeah, I've been looking all, yeah, basically until my grandpa and his brother showed up. The tractors and wagons, my grandpa was busy transferring corn this morning, so that way they'd have room to get this done. This corn, there's two different numbers of corn here that were planted here. So from down to the edge of the field over there, down to about over there, I want to say, somewhere right around there, then that's where the second number ends. And I swear I felt a drop of rain just now, but I don't know. I could be wrong. So, yeah. Shit. Found another one, but it is gross. It's got mold on it. But yeah, this ain't gonna do. So, out with that one. So anyway, I brought 2 buckets out here. Today, so that way I could continue on. But yeah, it's pretty nasty. So anyway, have to knock some of the kernels off that were starting to regrow. So now, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I do have 2 pails. That one you guys haven't seen yet. This is the metal pail that we used for, that we did use for corn last year, but we didn't use it like for gleaning. We used it for when we started shelling. Well, this certainly is ugly. Yeah, there's been yeah, it's yeah, the yeah, just we got that one full. We got 2 ears in the back here, and yeah, been finding corn that I didn't even know was there. I don't know where combine's at, but yeah. So I'm a little bit nervous about traveling on all the way down to the end, way down there past my grandpa's brother's tractor, way down there. I've been a little skittish about doing that because, because it's because, well, that's just the way I am. Look how ugly that one is. Hey. Yeah, it's supposed to rain today. I don't know what time, but from what I've heard, it is supposed to rain sometime today. So, yeah, but anyway, I think this is where I'm going to leave you guys for now. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for each and every upload, and I will see you all tomorrow. Later, you guys. Stay safe out there, everybody.